This machine is to insert two different types of pins into a connector, form the pins, and inspect them. Thin pins are inserted into inner holes of the connector and formed. Then they are inserted into outer holes of the connector and formed. When the forming of the thin pins is completed, thick pins are inserted into the inner and outer holes of the connector and formed. Empty connectors are supplied by the bone feeder and aligned. Then the connector type is checked and pins are inserted with rapid speed by using cam. Pins supplied with real type are cut and inserted at 4 to 5 times per second. After the thin pins are formed, a skew system evenly aligns the pin pitch between them. The skew system aligns pitch left and right direction first, then does front and rear direction. This process shows the thin pin insertion into outer holes of the connector by using cam. After thin pins are formed, a skew system evenly aligns pin pitch between them. A skew system aligns pitch left and right direction first, then does front and rear direction. This process shows thick pin insertion into inner and outer holes of the connector. Pins supplied from the reel are repeatedly cut and inserted. After thick pins are inserted, an inner pin and outer pin forming process is conducted. Then the connectors go through the test process. First, a high voltage test screens a shortened pin and voltage test simultaneously, and good connectors go through 3D vision inspection of pitch and pin height. Good connectors go through a cleaning process, a marking process, and an oil dipping process. Then they move to the tray.